Okay, on this Fiesta ST, we've got a transponder tag type immobiliser installed to it. You get two transponder tags, as you can see there, there's one of them, with the system, and an emergency override tag as well, should your battery fail in your transponder tag. Got both these transponder tags turned off at the moment. Typically you'd leave them switched, or leave one of them switched on and attached to your keyring or on your person, otherwise the car won't start. So when you get out the car, 60 seconds or so once the ignition's turned off, the immobiliser becomes active, which is indicated by the blue flashing LED. If somebody gets in the car and attempts to start without having a valid transponder tag with them, the car won't start, and it'll give us an audible alert on the vehicle horn to let us know there's a potential breach, which I'll demonstrate now. What I'll do, I'll attempt to start the car, so you'll see what happens when I attempt to start the car, and then I'll bring the spare transponder tag in and switch it on, and you'll see once the tag's switched on, the system will automatically disarm. So let's go for that now. So there's our push to start button up there, so foot on the clutch, push to start, nothing. Okay, horn's pulsing, as you can hear. So I'll press and hold this button here for about 5 seconds or so to turn the tag on. So that tag's turned on now. The system's seen the tag, stop triggering, LED's gone out. Now we can start the car as normal. So there we go, ignition off, and after 60 seconds or so the system will arm. Now this transponder tag switched on, the system will arm and disarm automatically. Each time you get in the vehicle, it will see the tag and disarm automatically. No need to press any buttons or touch any touch keys anywhere. As long as that's on your keyring and it's switched on, your car will start. So the idea is if somebody clones your key or steals your key, which is quite popular, these little STs, they still can't start your car, and there's an audible alert to let others know that there's a potential theft in progress. So there you go, transponder type immobiliser fitted to this 2015 Fiesta ST.